about how you feel when he only seeks physical intimacy and he belittles you and doesn't value your opinion. Tell him how his actions affect you. Leave the talk. He is going to ignore you. We were talking about some men who come to their wives only when they wanted physical intimacy, sex. They belittle them, don't respect them, and what can we do to solve your problem? Especially who is stuck in this situation. This might happen to our brothers as well, but today we're going to talk about our sisters specifically. First of all, I'm really sorry that you are experiencing this situation, and this must be so tough for you. If you're married to someone like this, you can take some simple steps to solve your situation. First of all, what you have to do is to know and recognize that you are a valuable person deserving of love, respect, and consideration. You have your thoughts, feelings, and opinions that should be acknowledged and respected. If your partner ignores your opinion while, for example, buying you a dress, choosing a family trip, or taking a decision for the kids or for whole family, remind yourself that your thoughts are precious and it matters. Secondly, the most important thing is to have an open and honest talk with your husband about how you feel when he only seeks physical intimacy and he belittles you and doesn't value your opinion. Respectful conversation is the most effective medicine. Identify what is missing and unsatisfying in your relationship. Calmly, patiently tell him that you expect emotional intimacy first. Tell him how his actions affect you. Ask him with respect to share his thoughts. This is very important to maintain a healthy relationship. Two things will happen after this. One, he is going to respect you and he is going to change himself. Second, he is not going to listen to you. He is going to ignore you and he is just going to get up and leave the talk. If your husband doesn't want to have a respectful conversation with you, reach out to your close friends who is reliable, or family members, or a counselor to talk about your feelings. Consider couple therapy to improve your communication and understanding. Remember, you cannot let yourself keep suffering like this. In the meantime, take time to care for yourself and engage in activities that bring you joy and happiness, such as pursuing a hobby or reading the tafsir of the Quran, do some exercise, or you can take a walk in the nature, cook a favorite dish, or go to the gym or something that brings you happiness. You can consider doing a small business being home, or you can show your creativity through videos in YouTube. Remember, nobody can take away your happiness. Ultimately, this is necessary for you to evaluate whether this relationship is healthy for you in the long run. You deserve a partner who values you, respects you, and by holding your hand, struggles to go to Jannah. You don't deserve to be pathetic in your life. Allah wants to help you, but you have to try first. Remember, family is very important. Have the highest level of patience. Talk to your partner respectfully. Give him some time. He's going to change, improve himself for you and your family. Most importantly, make dua that may Allah give you patience and have mercy and solve your problems. Be very careful. Don't cross the border that Allah sets for you in terms of your rights. Allah sent you on this earth to solve your problem and seek His pleasure. This is the rule of planet Earth. After following all these steps, if it still doesn't help, you can consult with me. I'm here for you. I'd be more than happy to help you. If you benefit from it, share the video to raise awareness. Assalamu alaikum.